Hey y'all, Chloe's grandpa here. I was gonna do all these videos today on the gray mower and tried to start the orange mower for the battery. No. So I got Chloe's mower. I go to take the battery out. I don't even have a pair of pliers. Now I don't have like a toolbox, so I don't have that. I'm not that guy. I got fence tools. I could fix house stuff. I have fence pliers that are in with my tools that my partner has. So, yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna ride around on Chloe's mower. I don't know how to turn the phone around, so you're just gonna have to live with me riding around. Maybe we'll get a top speed. Yeah, there we go. All right, here we go. I got to start out slow because this thing wheelies. Really easy. Now, we're going nice and slow. But one of my goals is to ride to the park with Chloe. So we're going to ride to the park. Oh wow, that front rim is bent. The other front tire looks like it's flat. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, this park is not far at all. And this is one of the things I want to do with her because I can't walk. This is too far for me to walk at once. And with a 6-year-old, that's a little ridiculous. You know what I mean? Because she walks a whole lot faster than Grandpa does. Sorry. But this is the park. It's got a basketball hoop. It's got a nice little walking track around it that once my knee feels better, I'm gonna do. But this took what, 2 minutes? With Chloe, she drives a lot slower than me, so it'll be more than 2 minutes. But they got a little water feature and all kinds of stuff. You know? All right, let's see if this thing will start because I don't want to push it home. Chloe's beast all the time. Yeah, it's cool. Look. Yeah, I know. Oh gosh, there goes my phone. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's a nice little park. It's close to the house. And I would love to be able to ride with my granddaughter down here on her mower. And I have one that I can ride. Like I said, it's only 2 blocks from the house. It's got a little bit of a playground, basketball hoops. Oh my goodness. See, I'm too old to walk. But they have a cool little water feature that when you don't have a pool, you have a 6-year-old, that's really cool. All right, I got to get home. Love you all. God bless. Be safe and make them kids smile. Bye.